dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your moral science teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great. Let's start today's video, but before it you have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. Let's start today's video.
Student, in today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about child rights. In the last tutorial also, we have discussed about the child rights, and in today's tutorial, we will continue about more facts about the child rights. Okay, so let's start. Students, some important facts about the child right. That India ratified the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Children in 1992. Okay, remember this? France was the first country who realized that children are to be specially protected and taken seriously. As I have already discussed that in the 400 year ago, okay, the children were also treated as adult child marriage was there. They have to work in the mines and so many other tasks. It means nobody was bothered about their rights, or maybe they also have some feelings or emotions or not. But France was the first country who put the first step in this field, and they started thinking about the child protection, their rights, and etc. So student, always remember that you have certain rights called child rights. Okay, you are born with these rights and no one can take them away. So we will understand more about these rights in a video, in a small video. So you are ready to watch it? So let's watch.
Have you ever wondered if children have rights? Every person on the planet has rights, and so does every child. Child rights mean that we have the right to everything that helps us be healthy and happy. Nutrition and good health, good schooling, freedom of expression, and protection from anything that may be harmful. Every child has the right to good health care and nutrition. It does not matter if one is a boy or a girl. Every child has the right to education. It does not matter who we are or where we come from. Each one of us should be able to complete school. Each one of us has the right to protection, which means that we need to be safe from all sorts of violence, whether at school or the street or even at home. Just because we are children does not mean that our opinions can be silenced. Only we know what it is to be children. It is everyone's responsibility to ensure that every child has the right to survival, development, protection, and participation. We deserve to be healthy, happy, and full of hope. And we can't do it alone.
Student, after watching this video, I hope you understood that what are your rights. Okay, that every child should go to school. It means you have the right of education. You should not be beaten up. Okay, you should have the right of clean drinking water. You should have good food, healthy food. Okay, and you have the right of good health. You have a right of protection. You have a right to keep your opinion, and etc. So student, always keep this in your mind that child rights are written in Constitution of India. Where it is written? In the Constitution of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wrote the Constitution of India. B.R. Ambedkar, I think this name you all know. In SST also you have listened about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And student, one more thing I want to tell you, that rights cannot exist without responsibilities and duties. If you are having some rights, so along with it some duties are also there, some responsibilities are also there, which you have to follow in a proper way. Then only you can become good citizen of India, because you are very important for your parents, for society, for your school, and everyone. So be safe, be happy, be healthy always. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.